Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Well, the equity markets continue to rise, and over the last few weeks we've talked about the different sectors and industry groups that are doing well. And one group that we haven't really talked about has been the retail sector. Now, outside of Amazon, the sector is pretty much left for dead. We didn't see much price appreciation in any of the stocks in that sector. However, specific retail industry groups are starting to look pretty good. Specifically, they're being led by the discount retailers. Stocks like Dollar Tree, symbol DLTR, or Five Below, symbol FIVE, or Ali Discounts, it's OLLI, or Big Lots, that's symbol BIG. This group's acting very well, and they all have a thing in common, is they all gapped up after their earnings, and they're holding that gap level. So if one were to take a stab at these stocks, that's a level you'd want to keep an eye on. Now, these are not buy recommendations or anything like that. You should also always consult your financial advisor to see if any of these trades are for you. Also, in the home furnishing space, in the retailers, we see the old Restoration Hardware, symbol RH, also gapped up on earnings, holding up, as did At Home, symbol HOME. So all these stocks are acting pretty good. And also, it spread out to the apparel sector, which was pretty much left for dead. However, these stocks, again, gapping up on earnings and holding that gap level. Stocks like Ross Stores, that symbol ROST, or Boot Barn, that symbol is BOOT, or City Trends, that symbol CTRN, or Lululemon, that symbol is LULU. And for full disclosure, we did take a position last week in Lululemon after the earnings, and it's pretty much holding that level. Now, if it were to fail, that sometimes we might exit. You also have stocks like Urban Outfitters, URBN, or Canada Goose, symbol GOOS. Perhaps you've seen, if you live in a cold climate like Chicago, you've seen people walking around downtown in those $1,000 winter jackets. So that stock's doing really well. So again, none of these are buy recommendations. The whole point is that the retail sector's come alive. That's a sector that has been pretty much ignored by the market. And so consult your financial advisor, see if any of these stocks may be for you. So these are just some names to take a look at. There's a lot more than that, just to give you a taste though. So, as always, the price and volume be your guide. This is George Kachuk, where RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.